Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you Apple TV and Apple TV Plus. They're intertwined with each other. I'm going to show you how to get the most out of Apple TV Plus and Apple TV on your Amazon Fire Stick today. I'm going to also show you on the iPhone and iPad. And let's go and jump into this video. Alright, we're back. So let's go and jump into this, but before I show you the interface, I want to give you some background information. For starters, we have Apple TV app and then we have Apple TV Plus. So what's the difference? Apple TV app is just the app that supplies you Apple TV Plus, but it also comes with some additional features. But before we get into those features, I do want to let you know that this is available, this app, Apple TV app, is available on iPhone, iPad, Apple TVs, Macs. You can also get this on AirPlay devices, PC, smart TVs, Roku's, and Fire TVs. If you want to know exactly which devices and which models, you'll have to go to support.apple.com. And some brief quick features that they do have: they have new Apple Originals coming every month. They always have this in ad-free and on-demand. You can share this with your family, up to 6 family members. You can download and watch offline, and you can watch this quality in 4K, HDR, and Dolby Atmos. And you may be asking yourself, does this come with a price? It does come with a price, but before I tell you that, let me tell you a few ways that you can get this for free. So the first way that you can get this for free, they are offering a 7-day free trial that you can try. It's just a try free button. You click on that, and then all you have to do is put in your information or just type in your Apple ID account and have a card on file. It won't charge you, and then it's as easy as click on the blue confirm button, and then it'll automatically start the free trial. It'll give you a date on when it's supposed to end. Right before the trial is about to expire, you want to go into the settings, and then there's just a cancel subscription button there, and it's as easy as that, and that way you won't be charged. You can try it out for 7 days free, and that'll be perfect to kind of gauge on whether you want to participate in Apple TV Plus. Alright, so the second way to get this for free is if you've bought any type of Apple device since September 10th. So any device that you've recently bought, whether it be iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Mac, or Apple TV, after September 10th, you can redeem this for a year free of Apple TV Plus. So definitely keep that in mind. And if you have, definitely go ahead and redeem. Apple TV Plus is here. You can watch all your Apple Originals, and you can watch a bunch of TV shows from Hulu, Amazon Prime, Netflix. They have it all. They don't have it all, but they have majority. I will say that. So the third way you can get this for free, if you already pay for Apple Music, or if you have a student account for Apple Music as well, you can get Apple TV Plus for free. So definitely take advantage of this. You can take advantage of all 3 of these steps. Okay, so this is Apple TV app, and this is the inside of it, and then you have Apple TV Plus, which is an additional feature within this. This app is also available in over 100 plus countries, and also a wide variety of multiple different devices. Also keep in mind, to get this app on your Amazon Fire Stick or any one of those devices we listed earlier, it's all free. You don't need to pay for anything to get the app. There is a free section in the app where you can watch shows like Game of Thrones, Power. They have a wide variety of free shows that you can watch, and a lot of them come from HBO, Showtime, Starz, Cinemax, and they allow you to watch the first couple of seasons for free. So definitely keep that in mind. And as of right now, this app it's almost 50% free and 50% paid for. So a lot of this stuff is free, besides the top movies, which you have to either buy or rent. So some of the shows like Angry Birds, Toy Story, John Wick, you have to pay for some of those. But all of these where it says free series premieres, you can watch all of those for free. And then if we look down below, you'll see your Apple TV Plus section. This is where all your Apple TV Plus shows will show up. It's kind of an infinite scroll to the right. And then you have your more channels section. More channels is interesting because I want to show you this on multiple different devices on the iPad and the iPhone and show you what it's kind of like. But basically, these channels, you can't really do anything with them on the Amazon Fire Stick. They're just there for show until you set it up on a iPhone or a iPad or Apple TV. But I did try to do it from a PC, an Android phone. None of that worked. And if it did work, I'm not familiar with it. I'm pretty tech savvy, and it was too complicated. So I kind of just gave up and just grabbed my iPhone. Alright, so I'll circle back around to those channels, but let's focus on Apple TV Plus right now. Alright, so this is the Apple TV Plus section. It's a very small section just because Apple TV Plus is so new. They only have a wide variety of shows, but as you can see, they have their main original series C, along with The Morning Show, For All Mankind, Snoopy in Space, and then they have The Oprah Show. But that's about it. That's all they really have. And one thing that really surprised me about this, I didn't know this about Apple TV Plus, but the way they're doing their original series, it's completely different than Netflix, how they allow you to binge watch every episode in the entire season right away. Apple is taking a different approach and only allowing you to watch 3 episodes on November 1st, and then they'll slowly add the additional episodes on additional days throughout the month. So it's not like binge all day thing. You have to come back. They keep you coming back. So I'm assuming that's just to get you to pay for it, because right now they have to be competitive, and it's a pretty good strategy in my opinion. And let me go ahead and click on a few tabs so you can kind of get a feel for what this looks like in the inside on the Apple TV Plus section. Okay, so speaking of the channels, all right, so I skipped over that. Let me just show you the issue with the channels on the Amazon Fire Stick. So basically, let's say you're looking at top movies and you want to find something. You just click on something randomly and then you want to watch it. You can click on how to watch. And also, by the way, they do show the cast and crew trailer and also Rotten Tomatoes score, how long the movie is, all that good stuff. But once you go to try to watch it, it just basically gives you an error message and says in-app purchases aren't allowed on this device. And that's because iTunes cannot communicate with Amazon Fire Stick devices. And I'm assuming that's the same with Roku devices as well. But basically what you do is you'll have to grab your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV once again. And you may be able to find a way to do it on a PC or Windows. But I didn't find it, but it's just a super simple on an iPhone. So if you can find one, go ahead and just log into it, and then I'll show you how to connect it up real quick. Alright, so I'll grab my iPhone. This is the iPhone 10, and then if I scroll up, you'll then see what this app kind of looks like on the phone. The phone experience is 20 times better than the Amazon Fire Stick experience, I will say, and that's only because you can implement iTunes within it. They also have a section where you can kind of download shows, and I'll show you that as well. But the ease with setting up the channels within the iPhone is super easy. And also when you click on items like top movies, you can see there's a price in there now. So you can buy it for $19.99 or you can rent it for the price listed. But as far as HBO, Showtime, Cinemax, all you have to do is click on that try for free button, and if you already have an account, you just download the app and then link your account to it. It's that simple, straight from iPhone. And once it's linked on the iPhone, it will replicate itself over to the Amazon Fire Stick, the Roku, or any one of those devices. I don't have HBO Now, Stars, CBS, Showtime. I don't pay for any of those services, but if you do, just grab one of those iPhones, iPad, or Apple TV, and click on sign in, and then go ahead and link your devices. It's just that simple. I also wanted to show you this real quick. So I'm on this really old iPad. It's iPad Mini 2, and it's got version iOS 12 on it. And the iPhone that I showed you had has iOS 13 on it. So the experience is a lot different. Even the icon is different. So throughout multiple different devices, you're going to experience different things. The only difference, main difference, is that if you're on an iPhone or an iDevice, it's going to be linked with iTunes, which makes the experience 20 times better than if you're on Amazon Fire Stick or Roku. But either way, it's still, you experience a lot of free content. It's just on these iPads. So say if I wanted to download a full show, which is kind of a hassle, but they had this on this old iPad to where you can add free TV shows or episodes, but you have to download them. So they have a long list. You can scroll through this entire list and pick out any show that you want, and then you just click on the get button, and then it'll say download, and then it'll download, and it'll show directly on your Amazon Fire Stick. And this is what I'm referring to about the hassle part. So say if you're downloading multiple shows, these shows are going to take anywhere from, I don't know, depending on your internet connection, anywhere from 10 to 15 to 30 minutes to download. But the plus side is that you can just let it sit, and then it'll just show up on your Amazon Fire Stick. But this is just one feature out of so many others. I mean, there's still tons of content on the Apple TV Plus app that you can stream for free. And this is the Amazon Fire Stick. All your shows that you do decide to download or purchase, that will show in your library. So anything that you download, purchase, rent, it's all going to show in your library. So keep that in mind when you start looking for this on your Amazon Fire Stick or multiple different devices. As for Amazon Fire Stick and a few other devices, you will have to search for this in the download store on your particular device. So on the Fire Stick, you just go to the magnifying glass and put in Apple TV, and then the results will appear, and then you just click on Apple TV and then scroll through apps and games to find Apple TV. And that's how you get this installed on the Amazon Fire Stick, the Apple TV app. And once again, 50% is free, 50% you have to pay for to get the other half of the Apple TV Plus. But you can definitely take advantage of this app. Let me go and show you a few settings within the Apple TVs. Okay, so once you're in Apple TV, the interface, you can sign into your account. You can also check the language that you want to change it to. They support a variety of different languages. You can turn on restriction mode. You can also decide to share your TV analytics, whether they want to recommend certain types of content that you've already watched. You can turn it off if you want. The restriction mode is pretty much parental controls. You can decide whether you want to show rated R or anything like that. The accessibility mode, you can adjust your subtitles. You can customize it as well. You can turn on the audio descriptions and put on bold text as well. And the way you enable subtitles on this, when you're watching a piece of content, make sure you click the down arrow to enable those subtitles so you can see it. But if you were able to get this far in the video, thank you so much for watching this. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are of Apple TV Plus and Apple TV in general down in the comment section below. And once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.